Okay, so I just got my iPhone 4 in the mail, and I'm going to unbox it. And let's see if it's all worth it. I really don't know how to open this. Okay, here we go. Okay, a little unnecessary, but it's cool. Alright, little overprotected, I guess. Whatever. Nice, classical iPhone packaging. New screen, new cover. 32 gig. So, trying to keep the box in good shape. Get this way. Stupid futuristic boxing. Here it is. Got everything. Let's see what else is in here. This, yeah. Signed by Apple in California. Fingertips. Reads those. I don't know. Apple stickers, always nice. Got the USB charger, I guess adapter, I don't know. USB something. That tower. Seems a little different than the other one. Adapters are a little bit different. The iPhone 4 comes with more squarish kind. This one's more rounded. Apple earbuds with remote. Nothing new, these have been around for a while. And the USB wall adapter. And that's it. Let's see if it turns on. The logo. I would take this off, but I ordered in VisiShield and it hasn't arrived yet, so I'll post a video of me installing that. And that'd be nice. Oh, this is like a sexy beast. Look at that. Connect to iTunes. Okay, well, I'll post everything else in a separate video. This is just an unboxing video, so I'll probably put the link in the description, so check that out.